my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey. So today we're doing a photo shoot for my palettes. Oh, let me show them all. So today's photo shoot is for the In the Buff palette. Tomorrow's photo shoot is for the Color for Days palette. And yeah, I got these beautiful models I'm gonna be doing all morning to get ready for our shoot around 1 o'clock. So I'm super excited. We're doing some neutral looks. We're doing a glossy lid. We're doing a red lip, a smoky eye. Like, things are gonna get crazy. So I cannot wait. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you would like, and make sure to just stay to the end because we're gonna get cute. We're gonna get lit. It's gonna be fun. So love y'all. Bye. Yeah, bringing this for you too. I'm trying to get Lexi sleeping so beautifully over there. Love that for her. Knocked. Love it. Hi guys. Okay, so we're here at Q11 Studios, about to start the photo shoot. Again, this is for the neutral palette. Look at my beautiful models. Okay, baby's looking good. Okay, Lexi, Dusty. Okay, Quiana. Okay, Lo. It's time. Okay, they're about to do their thing. So love that. Can't wait. And just look at this footage. It's time. Period.
Mostly like just you kind of like looking off, kind of straight face, serving face, you know, shoulders back.
Man, she said that's my fave.
You know, nothing too crazy. Give me, what's your face? AC. Okay, 1 second. You guys turn it on. I was just telling them like for the group shots, but it'll probably honestly be closer. And like y'all kind of all like lean in more. So yes. Oh, did you see how they?
No. Oh my. Do it again. Go back. Oh yeah. Everybody just fit in so beautifully. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. It's the actual vloggy vlog. These are cute. As you should. Oh, that is cute. Oh, that's cute. Look at this is so cute. I know, right? Every time. Oh, come on. Wait, go back. Go back. Though. Okay guys, so it's day 2. You already know the vibes. The second photo shoot, as you can see, we got our Color for Days palette, period. Okay, my model's looking gorgeous. Okay, show the room, show the room, show the room. Mama, look at him. Looking fire. Okay, so of course we use this baby. Coming soon, September 10th. You see it, period. Okay, stay tuned for the looks. The photos are coming. I love to see it. Go to the business page. Make sure you follow. Love y'all. Yes. So I threw in the footage of me getting another photo shoot done by the same place for my palettes. I've never gotten professional pictures taken for any of my products on my website, so I thought I'd do this with my palettes just because they looked so pretty and I wanted something professional, like to really get the detail of them and all that time and effort I put into these. So I'm super glad I did. It turned out great. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I can't wait to show some looks using them.